Hey, traders. Happy Friday to you. Hope you're having a good one as the week is over. Bitcoin's not done too much. I mean, it had a nice little rally until the new 4-hour candle was born, and now we've just been giving it all back, probably because there's 60-minute bearish divergence going on. Not just for Bitcoin, but also Ethereum. Right? I think 01 had brought it up in Discord. Let's go 60-minute here. All right, there it is. Really good-looking bearish divergence. So, like on a very insignificant time scale in penny price action versus the downside on Ethereum, you're starting to get it. It's starting to play out. But it's only the 60-minute, so we could play out. You sell off some. You come down to 420 again. Who knows? Maybe even lower. You could just backtest the triangle's old resistance, right? And yeah, that's it, dude. That's kind of what's going on. A little bit of buyer exhaustion on a pretty insignificant time scale. Okay, nothing to worry about. Why? Because if you saw KNC hit the second target of the trade setup officially today. Sorry, I'm kind of dragging a little bit. You know, y'all got me kind of drunk last night. Was definitely, you know, not sober. Also, my God, man, thank you all so much. We got 558 patrons now. It's Still feel like I'm dreaming every day. So, you know, eventually the 60-minute divergence plays out. You know, we get a little bit more selling, whatever, and eventually bulls pick it back up, and we see the 100% measured move of the structure we broke out of, the ascending triangle. At least that was my interpretation of it. Other people would interpret it other ways. It's just mine, you know, so Bitcoin, you know, unfortunately, Bitcoin right now is showing hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hour, right? Look at this. God, I can't catch a break on Bitcoin, can you? Right here. I mean, where you make a high on price, you make a lower high on price with higher levels of positive momentum and pending price action. Continuation to the downside is being implied right now. Not sure how deep it'll take us, but this isn't the 60-minute, man. This is 4-hour. So, if the TA is respected, we might go down further next. I mean, to just come back, test 11,589, 11,600. Could happen. It's there, man, right? I mean, we saw it before. Look, when you made before a high on price, a lower high on price with higher levels of negative momentum, it's like deja vu. We're going from hidden bearish divergence to classic bearish divergence right back into hidden bearish divergence again on the oscillators on the 4-hour on Bitcoin. So, you know, when you got a sell-off before on the hidden bearish divergence, as you can see, there wasn't, it didn't take you very far right before you ran up one more time to make a higher high, and that's when that classic divergence developed at 12K. So, you're just hoping that if it is going to play out for real, it's not going to be too bad. Okay. 1 hour, 48 minutes to your daily candle close. It's the weekend. Stock market's closed. Forex is closed. And crypto's the only show in town right now. EOS. I mean, yeah, EOS is okay. I'll sell my EOS at $5, $4.99. All right, and I might even hold a little bit more. You know. Sorry, man. I mean, dude, this is like the 7-day-a-week stuff. I'm just here. It was a great week, man. I mean, so much stuff played out. ZRX is up 12%. Tron's up 10%. I hope you like the thumbnail. Thanks to Chalin for putting my vision to life. Where you had Justin's son, Harry Potter. You know, he was picking his boogers, the magic boogers. And then you had Dark Lord, Vitalik Mort, I guess we'd call him. Obviously on the right. So shout out to him. All right, again, we should move on. You know, Bitcoin, again, you just saw it. You got your analysis, right? Hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hour. And if it's looking the same, you know, let's go right back. Let's look at the 60-minute. Really doesn't matter. But if you have coinciding, you know, timescales or timescales that are both saying the same thing, yeah. So it's like here, you got classic bearish divergence on the 60-minute lined up with hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hour. Not really what you're looking for. That's not kind of what you want if you're bullish. Oh, just say it, man. All right. But let's just hope. Hey, you know, what's been the theme in these crazy bull runs? Weekend price action, insane weekend price action. We got it last year a bunch. We've been getting it a bunch this year or this summer since things started getting real nice. Okay. Maybe we'll get it. Create another gap for the gap boys. All right, going back to KNC now. Where, I mean, at the highest point of the entire rally, you hit the second target of the trade setup and no higher, right? Not 1 penny higher so far. But that's okay. Cooling off. People took profit. And in time, I believe KNC could go to much, much higher prices. I mean, we're talking eventually like $2.50, $4, maybe even $5 if this bull trend continues. And if all the altcoins, and I guess Bitcoin, you know, they're all showing these weekly, monthly structures that are quite bullish. And those are implying somewhat of like a multi-month, multi-year bull trend. if they're actually going to play out and the TA is going to be respected from what has been forming over the past 2 years plus. That's why I think KNC could go much, much higher. I know on other charts we're talking about, I think, a $5, $4.80 all-time high. That is very possible if you're patient in time, and it could have all started right here with this very nice sized bullish Gartley. Just because targets hit doesn't mean it's over for the trend. You know, you pull back some and you keep going. Just like, think about Bitcoin in early 2019, the legendary Gartley was formed, right? Trade setup targets were hit easy. And then what happened? You pulled back at the third target, you pulled back like kind of violently, and then you just made a higher low and kept on floating on up. And then April 1st rolls around, boom, we were gone to much higher prices. So just because trade setup targets hit doesn't mean that everything's over. Like the asset's not going to appreciate any more in value. All right. But remember, we were talking about, like, this is down like 123 PCZs. Now we're at $2. Like, what? I mean, it seems like, oh, go figure now, but back then, you don't even think, you're not thinking about that. You're like, will this even play out, man? The patient man won. Loading, no. I don't want to have to, you know, I will. I need to. I just don't want to have to redo all my alerts. God, I've so many alerts set up across multiple markets on things I don't even remember anymore. But yeah, I'll have to like write them down before I erase and then redo them. Meh, whatever, Bradford. It's all good. Yeah. I mean, the shirtless dream is not happening. It's like certain. There are no certainties on these markets, but it's certain that we won't get 589. I know that. That's why I even mentioned it. That's why I said at 589 we would do that. It's just a log, doesn't have any alerts. Okay, I'll still have to look into that after stream. All right, KNC up 10%. No big deal, man. Really, no big deal. Tron up 11% right now. Justin Sun, so pleased. Wow. Right from the high to low, you know, the bullish 5-0, you hit the 361.8% retrace of extension before reversing a little bit. Very overbought. What a run, man. I mean, the bullish run continues. No problems, man. I mean, what do you do here? Can't do much now. We can look left. But really, for us, you know, this is great. You know, this was identified live on stream. It played out, the bearish arc, and we identified this for patrons. I mean, and like posted, hey, you know, because we love the bullish 5-0s. Curious if they'll hit and then actually play out. This and IOTA definitely did it. But we've been really spending most of our attention for the Tron stuff on the BTC pair, which to me, way bigger of a deal. That's just, I think Tron to BTC in time could double, triple, quadruple up if the harmonic actually plays out, the insane one. So you'd think that Tron might, you know, stopping at fib extension, but 2.6397 cents seems like the next major overhead resistance, right? And above that, dude, forget about it. Whoa. Forget about it. You know, you go up to 3 cents after that. Okay. So just another altcoin pumping. You know, OXT's pumping. Yeah, you pick an S coin, they pump.
Can we take a look at XRP?
Sure, DJ. Thanks for the 5 super chat. Yeah, XRP up 2% on the day. It broke out, but with Bitcoin selling off, it's falling back into the structure. The descending broadening wedge. Kind of technically a partial decline right here. If you're very technical, it is a partial decline confirmed. Once you tested the top trend line again, you broke out. So it played out, but again, just It's probably not XRP's fault. It's probably just the macro. And fortunately, at least on XRP, there's no hidden bearish divergence, though you were close. I can't imagine XRP this playing out really well if Bitcoin starts reversing, because it's got 60-minute classic divergence, bearish divergence, and 4-hour hidden bearish divergence, right? It can be very tough on this one. Don't know how it can do it, man. So we're just hoping that maybe the selling's mild on Bitcoin with the impending price action reversal and impending price action continuation to the downside being implied on Bitcoin. Hopefully it's mild. DJ, no, you're literally wrong. I don't hate XRP. If you watch the stream, you know that. I don't hate it. Its performance is trash. It's one of the worst performing S coins out there across the markets. You know, recently it redeemed itself some with a huge pump, but we witnessed a weekly breakout of a supply line, and we mooned from there and hit overhead resistance. These are targets. This was stuff that was covered. I did not give. It's not like I ignored all that stuff going on XRP. You think I didn't ignore the beautiful bullish shark pattern that manifested into the entire run? I mean, I didn't ignore that. I don't hate XRP. I hate the tribalism of the Moon Boys that blindly love XRP and are married to it, and they've never participated in any market before, right? They're just obsessed with XRP. They don't care about Microsoft or Amazon or Google. Nope, just XRP. One-up coin's broken. Jason Jordan? Someone want to test that? Jason said it was broken. I don't know, man. I never know about that. I don't. Thank you, dude, for letting me know. But maybe someone could, test that out.
How are you feeling after
you
last
and literally
night's
no one
show?
calls it that. Okay, no one calls it that. How am I feeling after last night's show? Kind of rough. AJ Productions. I mean, it's not easy drinking whiskey and being on keto. It's just not. All right. So we're now 11,735. In the mid, if we closed right here, it'd be a bearish engulfing candle, and that would make sense with kind of what the chart's telling us about Bitcoin right now. Is Tezos ready for round 2? Could be. I think, I know by looking at Tezos, at some point, if it keeps methodically falling like this, like that, and it starts pivoting and we see a Japanese candlestick reversal on the 4-hour, we're going to start getting some maturing hidden bullish divergence on Tezos. So it hasn't quite started playing out or even really started giving us any kind of confirmation. All right. What are you talking about? It's right here. Tezos. Oh, okay. It actually is starting now. Maybe that's a bullish, just a morning star type candle, harami. And this is what I'm talking about. Look, you make a low on price, you make a higher low on price. You start pivoting here and you start losing that negative Momo. I mean, that's impending price action continuation to the upside, where eventually we could finally see the second target of the trade setup at $4.76-ish cents, $4.79. So yeah, keep your eye on it, because that's very good.
Can we freshen up on Kula?
Sure, we can. Christian, look at Nikola. The bullish bat. Too beautiful. After all that selling, Nikola respecting the TA like a madman. Like crazy. DGB today, you were like, less than 0.5% away from hitting the 100% measure move, the ascending triangle. That's another just really notable S coin that's doing things today. Really nice. All right, so let's keep our eye on Tezos. You could start working on it, just the same, like Bitcoin starts really dumping or something, or pumping, on this one. You could start selling off again, and it may not be, the negative Momo could start building again. So you got to be kind of patient here, but you got to be really mindful and monitor it. As we know, the weekends have been pretty wild lately. Dang, dude, we looked at that crap yesterday, I think.
Do with that? I know you probably have to go pretty far left to see possibilities.
Yeah, we looked at it yesterday. Oh, it's pumping. Oh, you just, you know, you had like, this is like the problem, man. Like, there wasn't really much low risk, high reward opportunity here. You know, it looked almost like rising wedge on the daily. I mean, clearly, you know, bearish divergent stuff, but here you go, man. As it was waning, all of a sudden you start pumping again. That's bullish conditions for you. It's just really tough to call tops, even when they're at major resistance points. So, I mean, if you ever break this, dude, whew, a real good chance you'll eventually see 1149 sats. And if you ever break that, 1544 sats. I mean, those are your targets if you can actually break this resistance back from December of 2019. It's been a while, man. So, but yeah, that's there. But not, I mean, if bulls just start and bids start coming in and buy orders start coming in and we start breaking critical resistance, this is going to be completely invalidated, right? Bearish divergence, bearish oscillators, bearish indicators, bearish patterns are all very weak in strong uptrends, right? They underperform, if not just outright fail and become invalidated. Okay, so you know, it's like that was there, but you're breaking the upside. Jeez, bullish engulfing candle going on. It's up 20% today. How about that? Hasn't technically broken out of this upsloping consolidation yet, but I mean, you were and you could. All right, continue to. All right, man. Fetch. Yeah, just killing it. Mooning these altcoins, dude. Crazy. Oh, Nikola. Yep. To Jesus, man. Here it is. What do you want, man? More woman, more alien, right? Gap fill is upon you. It's the first target. I think it's all on the 4 hour. I had it all this plotted. Yeah. 4 hour. So your first target, if one was to have entered at the pattern completion zone on the first or second low, with the divergence, tail end divergence on the RSI, I mean, you're approaching 48.65. After that's 59.27. After that's 75.32. Those are the targets. They're, you know, nothing to brush up on. It's it has reversed at a pattern completion zone, price reversal zone, PRZ, and is just floating on up. Wonderful. Survived earnings somehow, right? Held above this previous high from May of May 13th.
Night in bed and trying not to laugh is hard. Epic fun. Can we look at BAR, please? Sir Viking bread face, smiley face.
Yeah, one man army. Sure, we'll look at HBAR. That, of course, right? Someone asked me yesterday, should they sell their HBAR? And I'm like, I'm not gonna ever tell you what to do, but I'm not gonna sell my HBAR, right? I mean, but they can do whatever. And it was based on a technical analysis that we looked at. We analyzed it yesterday. We can go back. It's up 6% today. Rex G, I'm gonna get over the chat. Let's go.
Is that a joint?
Thank you, Rex, dude. That's what I'm talking about, man. 559 patrons. Love that number. But certainly still not going to see 589, which I know some patrons want to see, but I'm not going to have it. What's up, Ras? Thanks for the sub. Yeah, if you're in here and you haven't hit that sub button yet, go ahead and do that. You should go ahead and join the Discord if you haven't. All right, that's where this community communes when this live stream isn't going. And there's just excessive amount of education in our Discord. I mean, you don't have to be a patron to learn some stuff. So Discord link is right here. Posting it now. Going on like 7,400 members now. Just mooning on growth. YouTube and Discord, man. I mean, we're like about to be at 33,200 subs. Yeah, dude, like 13 more subs and it'll be at 32,000. Oh, 33,000. Jeez, 33,200. Dang, man. We were just at 32,000, man. Okay, Nicola, there's not much to talk about. It's been charted, analyzed, everything's set up. No big deal. It's gorgeous, though. TA respected. Hardcore. HBAR. Right, hidden bullish divergence off of the neckline or confirmation line of the 3 rising valleys. 1 bottom, 2 bottom. I mean, hello? Yesterday, should I sell my HBAR now? That's what someone was asking. It's like, I mean, I wouldn't. I mean, we're looking at the chart here. Okay. One has to be patient. Like, I mean, if one's asking if they should sell it now, that means, well, they don't have a plan. Look at the daily. You're about to bullishly engulf in an hour and a half if this stays the same. So you're talking about, you mean to tell me, 3 rising valleys pattern that has been in development since late March. You broke out of it days ago, and 3 days in a row, you back tested the breakout point as support, and now you're starting to engulf. That's a break, hook, and go confirmation here on HBAR. So again, like, there's just like, dude, 6.572 cents. Not balking on it, okay? In time, the patient man will win if market conditions stay bullish, okay? That's it, HBAR. Wow. Yeah, we gotta go ZRX. It's killed it, man. It's up almost 15% on the day. 51 cents, something 55 cents, something 65 cents. Hello? Yeah. Similar looking stuff, kind of to HBAR. Not the same, but the psychology is around the same. Bullish stuff, accumulation. What's up, Anon? Thank you so much for supporting the stream. Purchasing the classic pullover hoodie. Thank you, dudes. Yeah, if you don't know, I have merchandise, and it's in the description below. A lot of cool stuff. And, I mean, the harmonic cheat sheet poster or canvas, amazing too. Thanks, Wayne. Alright, so ZRX. What do you want, man? Ascending triangle on the daily. You broke out, you back tested like HBAR did, right? Remember HBAR? And now you're having a breakout and a back test and a go. Break, hook, and go. And now you're at your highest point of the day. You breached all local highs, the highest high we'd seen since May 8th. You're above that now. There's nothing here, chat. ZRX should soon see 55.57 cents, only merely because that's a target for an ascending triangle. 55.57 cents. But it's even oh so more promising on the weekly. But let's go to the 4 hour real quick, so you can see how it all really kind of started, dude. How did it all start, chat? It's the Gartley. The bullish effing Gartley. Respect the TA or should be destroyed, dude. If you want to learn how to respect the TA, you want to learn how to identify this stuff, join the Patreon.
Shout out to the
500 plus people can attest to the Patreon being a place where you can learn how to do this stuff. So it was like Gartley into small ascending triangle within the larger ascending triangle, and you broke out, you even back tested, you're going, man. And 1272 approaches, you know, the harmonic side of low, but then we go to the weekly here, so you can really see it. Well. 65.55 cents, right? 55 cents is the small pattern, the ascending triangle, but the larger one for a position trader is 65.5 cents. Thomas D, let's go.
Is that a join?
Thank you, Thomas, dude.
Bruh.
Welcome. Please be sure to sync up your Patreon to the Discord. You got to, man. It's mandatory. Yeah, 560 patrons now. Still not worried at all about the shirtless stream stuff. No worries, dude. Still very far away. So again, just to, we talked about on the daily, looking left, nothing here. Weekly confirms that, nothing here. There's absolutely nothing here, dude. All right, you might have a little turbulence, maybe at 55 cents because it's a measured move of an ascending triangle on the daily, but also where traders settled up September 10th of 2018, that week. So that's it. First target, 55 cents. Second target, in time, if you're patient, 65.5 cents. But that's just the size of the huge right-angled and descending body formation that developed. There's no real resistance on the weekly until 88.88 cents right here, where traders settled up the week of October 15th, 2018.
2.0000 EOS.
See, one-up coin's not broken at all. Thank you, MK. Really appreciate that, because that makes me feel better. And thank you for not tipping me Ethereum Classic, since it takes like 2+ weeks to confirm the transaction. ETC dead asset for crypto. Now, it might be tradable still, I guess. I mean, but my God. 51% attack, flaw in your code, can't get transactions to happen. Forget that, man. Like, so again, if you're a trader and there's an opportunity, okay. But to own and hold ETC, or to even use, we use crypto for transactions like that, right? And why ever use ETC if it does that? No point, ever. Discord link right here, Aaron. Spamming the Discord link. Join us. Oh, I don't know. Far too early to be trying to call a butterfly or a deep crab. Remember, Profex, that is not anything. We can't. That's not a pattern, right? You're trying to plot this. So how the hidden bullish divergence starts maturing, you're about to pivot here and run to the upside and see the targets. See, this is impossible, right? I mean, well, we're talking about an actual real harmonic. You notice that the retrace on B is 50%. Therefore, this is impossible at 1272, because this would be a potential bearish deep crab where the PCZ would have to be at a 1618, okay, not a 1272. There is no balking on the PCZ on deep crabs, and the difference between the deep crab and the butterfly is with B. B tells us what it might potentially be, and it can't be a butterfly here because it didn't retrace 78.6%. What's up, Colin? Wait, is that the guy that was like talking all this crap? They got banned earlier? Because if so, we can just give him a refund and kick him out. I don't know. Can we get confirmation on that? 1,178 people tuned in. Thanks for the 300 likes. And the new subs. And the new Discord members. Not real though, we need to find that out. Shadings? Nah, dude, it's certain it won't happen. Okay. That's how cocky I am. I am hungover. What? I'm allowed to, I mean, I don't know, like, am I acting hungover? I feel hungover. I can't see myself unless I look in the mirror, which I'm not right now. I guess I'm looking at the webcam. Let's, someone give me confirmation, for real, I'm not kidding, about what I was saying. Oh, okay, cool. That was a different, okay, it was Chris Collins that is poor. Okay, got you. The peasant. Alright, dude. Colin, thank you so much, man. Please sync up the Patreon, the Discord. It was the names of the Collins, coincidence. I seem fine somehow. Okay. Well, I mean, you noticed, like, last night on stream, late night, well, you can't review it anymore. Man, I did some seriously nice drunk TA on, I think, like, Augur or something. Someone requested it. How do you sync Discord to Patreon? There are many resources in the Discord. There are tabs. Like, tabs where you can learn all that. It's all in there, dude. Yeah, Perfex, for sure, dude. But y'all, I mean, Wolf pinged me and it was good to talk about it, you know, since whatever. Oh, look here, man, it's still running, right? Whatever this was, what is it called? Oh, fetch connect. Yeah, still breaking out. And your next target, I mean, you could say that 1064 is where traders settled up that day, July 25th, 2019. You know, I was thinking like eventually 1149, and after that 1544 if it keeps going. All right, yeah, this is about, I mean, it's starting to get invalidated. You keep pumping like that. All right. Okay, ZRX, Kings, 15% up on the day, and could go much, much higher based on historical context of the chart. There's nothing looking left. Okay, that's it. Awesome. But this isn't news. This isn't something that we're just discovering now. If you've been watching the stream for months, this is all the exact same analysis. This right here, what we're looking at. Wow. Same thing, all the other altcoins. All right, something about Cardano. Just pull it up real quick. It's back inside its channel, so it just should be noted. You know, if you're like, hey, I'm here for value, I'm here to watch analysis of S coins and stuff. It's like, all right, well, just an update on Cardano as it had fallen out of the really nice developed channel it had been in, right? Remember, got a big markup, and then this was created. But look at the beautiful, beautiful bullish pin bar slash. It's just a. I guess it's close enough to be a Dragonfly Doji reversal, and since then it's been wonderful. And now, like, I think they're, you know, 13.872 cents, right? Where you are, you're above it. If you can stay above this long enough, I really do think Cardano's got a good chance of coming right back to that area, right? This trend line. We had a false breakout around 14.7 cents. So this is hanging on for dear life. Heck, man, it's almost like bullish shark action, isn't it? X or 0XABC here. So, oh my god, we're at the 50% retrace. Bearish 5.0 incoming. But yeah, interesting development on Cardano as it was kind of screwed. It's now maybe okay. It might survive this and eventually be able to see 16.180 cents, which has been the target for like months. We knew if you ever broke 10 cents, 16.18 was where you were going next eventually if you were patient. That's it. Kyle will look at it. Yeah, how VeChain was showing daily bearish divergence on both oscillators, was showing a potential slanted head and shoulders pattern. But we talk about how, like, market conditions, you know, how can bearish stuff play out? As you see, it's like being invalidated. Like, you go any higher than 2.0846 cents, which you almost did. I'm talking where traders sell up. It's pretty much invalidated now. It's almost like a mini 4-hour dragon breakout. Mini trade setup. And this is like, you know, suspicious. You know, you're always suspicious when in conditions like this, you see this stuff. As we did discuss a lot last night, it's like you got to be skeptical, but the edge kind of is bearish because of two different time scales, a pattern, and all that divergence. But look here, man. Now it's like double bottoming off of old resistance from history is now support twice, just like Ethereum. So this now might turn into much higher prices where we see eventually 2.443 cents or whatever, the 1272 fib extension. I'm just talking about dragon stuff now. Bullish dragon and bullish trend. You broke out. You back tested, right? No, I mean, it's true. Like, look at this. Let me show you. So now it's like you held above the 1.8 cent area, the bottom of the resistance zone. The top of the resistance zone is 1.9927 cents. Look how you broke out and then you like kind of back tested that as support. So this is good. This is really good.
BTC, my good man. What area for a pullback? Thanks, Mitch. Respect.
Brian, sure. We'll do it. Thanks, man. So I think at this point, for an equitable trade, and really now, I mean, it's kind of high, you know. I think just critical thinking here, like, this is the only way it's going to work, really. I mean, for using strategy with setting your stop loss for an entry now, the only thing you can do is your first profit taking level would be the top of the dragon from August 9th at 2.3028 cents, right? That's all you can do, because if you fall below 1.9927 cents again, it's done, man. It's like everything's over. It's like, I mean, what was the point, of breaking it and back testing it as support? So that's why the stop's just slightly below that area from history, from 2018. Okay, so again, your target here, 2.3012 cents. Your second target, of course, is going to sync up with the trade setup from before, the more major swing trades, that had a lot more, of an edge to it. Remember the descending broadening wedge breakout? Sorry, it's tricky doing it this way. Whatever. Another target for VeChain. If this dragon was to play out like real time, like outperform in bullish conditions, then this is how we'd size it up. Like that. Your third target could be 2.6560 cents swinging for the fences on the last one. That's it, dude. That's a potential dragon trade setup right here on a breakout and kind of a back test of historical support resistance. Okay? That's it, dude. Who's that? That's it, dude. Okay. I'll wash my hands of this. Good luck, VeChain. Thanks, Kyle. Appreciate it, dude. Was Tezos starting to run now? Well, hidden bullish divergence was starting to develop. I mean, but not too much confirmation, because you were just starting to wane on negative momentum, right? So, meh. So we'll see how it goes, dude. We'll add an alert. We start going. Kings. Wow, yeah, it's gotta be my log or something that's so, like, full. I don't know. Okay, cool. Moving on. Bueller. US. You broke out, man. Congratulations on the breakout. I mean, we're talking a
3.6. Not great, not terrible.
Comrade, can we look at DGB USD? Congratulations on your success. In mature Russia, you are superstar.
Thank you, comrade. For the rocking. Not great, not terrible. Thank you, dude. Yeah, we'll look at it. Kalishnikov. So EOS once again is breaking out on the weekly of a structure that goes back to June of 2019 or May of 2019. And that's it, dude. I'll be taking profit eventually, like $4.99 or so. I'm a patient man, just holding it, whatever. Not worried about it. That's why I'm sizing up EOS right now. It's not like a swing trade. It's just like, yeah. Sit and forget it. Same kind of Litecoin. Meh.
Is MKR/USD in for a reversal?
Kirk, I don't know. We can look at Maker. Sure. Thanks, dude. What's the next one? Oh, shout out to the music channel on Discord, Christian said. There you go, dude. Really concerning, dude. When I do like an add everyone charts only for patrons, like no one reacts to it. It's just like, do people even get that notification? We got 500 almost 560 patrons, not one reaction when I just posted in charts only. I don't know, man. What happened? Oh wow, that's like the first one. Someone bought the harmonic poster merchandise. There it is. He said he still has to frame it. And there you go. What's up, F1 Stat? Still learning the ropes. This helps a lot. Appreciate what you do. Thank you so much, man, for supporting the stream. And you'll be learning while you're supporting the stream, right? Because when it comes in, you'll be able to use a cheat sheet. And eventually we'll have one's very almost identical to this, but instead of harmonics, it'll be Japanese candlestick patterns, and another one that'll be all chart patterns, right? Like ascending triangles, symmetrical triangles, rising, falling wedges. You know, all of them. Just will have that'll match the theme, so you'll be able to put up multiple ones on your wall in your office. Really cool.
Bruh.
Pineapple White Claw, get wrecked, dude. Yep. Yeah, we looked at XRP, didn't we? Thought we did. Well, yeah, we looked at it. Yeah, it broke out and so and all. There you go, man. Nice. Not much to do here. Thank you for the contribution, but certainly not a trade or anything. Lost and Faded Guitarist. Thank you, dude, for purchasing the poster. Poster is too cool not to have. Thanks for all the great TA. Thank you for supporting the stream, dude. That's what you do when you're buying the merch. Thank you.
Bruh.
So AST was requested. Super duper S coin. Signature S coin. Yeah, it pumped, man. It's up 66% today. Nothing to see here. Literally nothing to see here. You're at some resistance from August of 2018, multi-year highs now. And if you ever broke that, it seems like the next target will be 2205. That's literally it, dude. Nothing more to do here. Great. Cool story. Thanks, though, man. So, did you buy it? To the US dollar, man. Very, very impressive chart. This is one of Matthew D's. He loves it. Well, I mean, he's making tendies on it. Yeah, you exceeded 100% measure move this pattern. This is nothing new. I mean, if you're a patron, you're paying attention, if you watch the stream, like, this is not a new thing going on. Where we were in this forever, man. Like, while Bitcoin was consolidating, so was DGB.
Gold news. Can you look at gold?
Sure, Matthew. Thank you, dude, for the 5. Paul, thank you, dude. Really, really appreciate the contributions that support the stream. This is a 100% crowdsourced stream. There is no affiliate marketing stuff, right? I don't team up with scammy crypto projects, right? I don't have sponsors, right? I don't monetize these streams. And I play like copyright music, so you have a better viewing experience. So any contribution you make, it gets reinvested to the stream. So you get all this premeditated, partner. What's up, Andrew, dude? Says, love your stream, been watching for months, keep up the good work. Thank you, dude. And I hope you enjoy it when it gets there. That merch, as a poster or whatever. Thanks for the 1,300 plus people tuned in. And just looking at DGB, nothing to see here except fantastic Jesus chimes for the TA being respected 100% of the way. And it's still kind of going. Approaching the golden mean ratio, dude, which is just slightly above that measured move. It's at 3.512 cents above that's outer space, man. Outer freaking space on DGB. Yeah. So if you want to learn how to identify patterns, you want to learn how to swing trade or position trade, you want to learn how to apply measured moves or Fibonacci for your targets, joining the Patreon is the best way to do it, man. I mean, you can learn it other ways, but good luck doing it on your own, because you're just going to be looking for different pieces of information, where we got it all condensed for you, all ready to go in the Discord, Patreon. Okay. What was it? No, I did not see the... Oh man, I really like Wells Fargo now. Wow. I liked it before. Really liked it before. Dragon, still here. Still friggin' here, man. Like double bottoming, you broke out, and your targets 29.78 and 31.54. That's it, dude. Look, a double bottom and then a double bottom within a double bottom. Double bottomception, historical support resistance.
ETH is the proper spelling of Tindies.
Exactly, you spelled it correctly. Crypto Collector, thank you, man, for the 1337, the elite contribution, dude.
Bruh.
You seeing this, dude? Dragon breakout. We got our targets here. Let's go, dude. Up 1.12% today. Beaten down value areas, you know it, man. It's not Link, all right? It's not literally at all-time highs, dude. No value. Scrubs come in, FOMO pump Link, man, because they don't know how to trade. Good for them. And then they disappear when the bull market ends, and never see them again. They go back to doing whatever they were doing before, right? Anyway. Yeah, gold, not much to see. Not much of an edge or anything. I mean, daily here. Good news is 1920, right? Historical resistance support. You held it. You closed the week above it. That's good. Right here. Hey, Anon, thanks for purchasing the merch. The poster, man. Supporting the stream. Thank you, dude. So no real edge right now. I mean, at some point, if you start losing the negative momentum, you could maybe argue there's hidden bullish divergence going on at some point, but it hasn't happened yet. So, all right, we know we're going to be attempting a rally. I don't know if we'll make a lower high, double top, or higher high here. But yeah, I mean, gold is still all-time highs on fundamentals, despite no edge right now, you know, at least on the daily. 4 hour. Besides the price action that was really nice off that old all-time high. Not much of an edge right now. You sell off one more time, we double bottom, then we're talking about some 4 hour divergence, and that might be when it might be time to take a strike. Create a dragon, double bottom, divergence. Hey, Adrian, dude. Adrian. Thanks for supporting the stream, dude. Cheers. Enjoy it. Tom Scotland coming in with the great, most important questions. I don't know how Justin Bieber's new song will do, dude. All right, Justin Bieber Connect. It's Jeffy, man. Let's go. I love gold.
Is that a joint?
Probably can't because stockholders, right?
Thank you.
$100. It's been a great run and I have been super busy.
Super busy, man. Right, making tendies. And probably just swimming in your Scrooge McDuck golden pool with golden coins, man. Understandable. All right. Thanks, dude. Seriously. He's been busy, man. But he's probably redoing his entire house with gold plating. Everything. Okay. Very good stuff, man. So Maker was requested down 7.8%. Oof, about time, man. No edge here. Maybe eventually you're gonna make hidden bullish divergence soon, but I don't know. Like this stuff, it already played out. Look, you want to talk about an edge on the market? Look no further than July. Most of July, Maker was developing an edge on the markets, and it's just continued on up. We found the bottom on Maker, dude. Plain and simple. And so now it's just doing this stuff. Having crazy runs, right? And why is it reversing here? Why is it not continuing to moon? You have to look at the weekly chart to see it on another exchange with more data. This is why. Right here. You hit a major overhead resistance, the top of the trading range, and you're just pulling back right now. But if you ever break $800 to $850, you could moon. You could literally double in price in time, right? The size of the structure helps us gain a little bit of,
Dragon on DXY.
a target, right, for a real breakout. Or yeah, 1311 could be achieved if we really break out and stay out and Bitcoin doesn't crash, right? Of course. That's it, dude. Eventually, when we're talking about we're later in this bull cycle that is just now starting, kind of, if you look at Bitcoin, could see 1319, and you wouldn't believe it, and you'd say, oh, whatever, dude, right now. And then at that point, you're like, I can't believe it, dude. You're going to have people talking, those link people that are going to get devastated at some point. They'll be up here screaming about makers, the next coming, whatever, same thing, same Moon Boy talk. Yeah, Tony Rumble, exactly. You said that's priceless right there. Someone screenshot that, because that's like real. Thank you, dude. And that is funny, big time. It's funny, but it's sad too, right? Because it's real. It's like that comedy. It's like Seinfeld. Okay, eventually, if you break out. What's up, Shaw? Says appreciate the education, man. Everyone join the Patreon or get wrecked.
Bruh.
Thank you, Shua, for supporting the stream and the community and all that. Dude, thank you. You got it, man. See, patrons advocating for Patreon. Let's go, dude.
Bruh.
Merch train. Hey, Mark. Can't wait to get this poster. Thank you, dude. Cheers. You're all amazing, dude. I know, Johan. Yeah, it's Instagram, though. Yep, he's... Remember, I don't know, like I announced this publicly to like 2,000 people yesterday on stream. There is someone imitating me on Instagram. I will never reach out to you on Instagram, ever, okay? If someone that claims to be Mitch Ray reaches out to you on Instagram saying it's me, it's not me. Someone's trying to scam you, and report it immediately as soon as they reach out. That's it. They're scammers. They're probably watching the stream right now, dude, okay?
Thoughts on CRO?
S-Coin, range bound. We looked at it last night, but remember, it's $10 minimum for S-Coins. Sorry, dude. It's a rule. I'm not breaking the rules. All right, remember, just go back to Bitcoin real quick. We've been live for 1 hour and literally on the dot, so look on the hits. Oh my God, man. So just, again, on Bitcoin, on the weekly, so you can just remember, like, I'm going to reiterate it for you because we monitor this like every day. But remember, last week, one of the most historical candle close confirmation breakouts in the history of Bitcoin occurred. You're watching, you knew that on Sunday. But what's happened this week? All we've done is merely backtest that resistance as support. And now we're starting to go again a little bit. So this could turn into indecision, but by the end of the week, which is just a couple days away now, 11,463, you want to close this candle above it, looking very healthy right now. I would say, right? Very good. So if we get a weekend pump, this could just turn into another huge green candle at much higher prices, far away from this 11.4. That's what you want to do. You just want to stay away from 11,463 now, because we have now confirmed, right? I mean, that's what a backtest is. It's confirming to market participants that the breakout's real. We broke out, we backtest it. So now at this point, any point after a backtest, and confirmation is good, but I'm saying anytime, even on an intra-week candle, after a backtest, this could moon. This could go much higher this weekend. What's up, Doug? Says, thanks, loving the streams and Patreon. Cheers, dude. Thank you for supporting the community, man. Much love. So that's like the big headline for Bitcoin still. Historical major breakout that could usher in a multi-month, multi-year uptrend. That's it, dude. The technicals, not story time, not moon boy clickbait stuff. This is real technicals. And it's kind of undeniable right now what's going on. So Duff, dude. Oh, very nice, Duff. Look, Duff got the Pepe mug, and he's got the throwback shirt on. Let's go.
Bruh.
Thank you, Duff, man. It's always nice seeing a face behind the awesome people in the community. Cheers. That's why, I mean, that's one of the reasons why I like people to take pictures with their merchandise. It's cool, man. Like, you see me every day. You know, not the best thing to look at, but hey, man, we'll see who's watching, you know? Who's supporting the stream. Dominic, I have no idea. Pure speculation right there. That kind of questions, I'll never know. We'll never know. What's up, along for the ride? Coming in from Georgia. You're my neighbor, dude. Technically. Alright, we can shift gears back to the 4 hour where, remember, like the 60-minute and 4 hour both implying downside next, but hey, bullish conditions, so anything's possible. Right? Or look, where it's showing hidden bearish divergence, what happens if bids come in, the weekend starts going crazy, we start showing higher highs, and we run up, test 11,981, right? If you see 11,000 or 12,000 again, then you would completely invalidate the 4 hour potential hidden bearish divergence, okay? So you just want to hang around long enough and start running again, and then you could invalidate the bearish stuff, because the market's really bullish right now, in case you haven't noticed. What is the news? Berkshire Hathaway cuts share stake in Wells Fargo by 26.5%. Dang. That's what it was. Oh, and Berkshire Hathaway took a stake in Barrick Gold. Gotcha, dude. Dang, man. So it was like Intel AMD stuff, right? Just pulling out of one thing, put that money immediately into something else. Venus, I guess, dude. What's up, Smiley?
Can you check out Super S Coin Orion Protocol? /US pair. Cheers.
I mean, maybe it's mid and bullish divergence at some point. Meh. Alright, double top E, selling off, right? I mean, if this starts playing out, you could definitely say, I mean, I don't know, you had hidden bullish divergence that played out, you made a lower high and you're dumping, so there's no value here. A nice bullish and golden candle on the 4 hour, but that's not good enough, man. That's not near enough of an edge. I just don't think that you have enough data even to say it's like a wedge or anything. It's just like 1 and 2 here. And then right here, boom, it's a channel. Like you're just in a downtrend, maybe it's a short-term downtrend. Then you're looking, you're hitting that heart line. So, Banon, thank you for supporting the stream. Enjoy the canvas printed. You know, if you ever break the heart line, an adequate target, $6.60 or so, moving target. But that's your supply line. That's where sell orders are going to be most likely. If you ever break that, well, then we're talking. Then we're talking, you know, eventually 776, and then you could just use fib extensions. If this was the bottom, which we have no idea yet. Okay, we just don't know. I mean, you talk about $8.60 if you ever broke the all-time high. These are targets, and the golden mean ratio is 969. Boom. $10 psychological resistance. What's up, Jashan Malik? It's time for me to hang this up. Do it, dude.
Bruh.
What just happened? I can't see. It's Quinny, man.
Bruh.
Dude, coming in $30 worth of Tezos crypto contribution, man.
Quinny tipped $30.01. I've been a patron for months but work my ass off and haven't had time to learn much. Vacation next week. Doing a deep dive into Mitraitier, harms, fibs, and maybe even a little prose. Thanks for the knowledge. 7.24471
Quinny, man, thank you so much, dude, for the contribution. The Tezos, dude. You're getting me to buy high. I don't know, though. That hidden bullish ever starts really maturing here, and maybe it would take us to that second target eventually. 479 or whatever. Thank you. See, Wolf, man, you getting nervous? That's what I'm talking about. I know, like 589 is not happening, and y'all got so cocky thinking it would, and it's like, here we are. This is what I'm looking for, dude. Every day, it's like, shh, no Jesus chimes. Nice and calm, quiet, middle of the month. Adrian, yeah, he did. All right. Just going right back to Ethereum for a second. Hanging on, right? 439. Not too far off your highest highs of the entire run since the breakout of the ascending triangle, or my perceived ascending triangle. Other people looked at it however they wanted to. This was just me looking at it this way. Turns out it looks like the psychology was there. It was right. The higher lows accumulation with the sell order, sell wall, and you destroyed the sell wall. It's about right, man. So the next target's $460. What's up, Aaron Morgan?
Bruh.
This will go great with my Vegas Pepe mug in the mornings. Thanks for the great education. Thank you, dude. ZRX is mooning right now. It's up 17.45%. It's going, dude. We got some price action. Wow, it's exceeding a 1272 fib extension. And remember, 55.5 cents on ZRX. That's it, dude. Killing it. Very good. $0.55, 100% measure move, the ascending triangle. 65 cents, 100% measure move with the right angle descending broadening formation on the weekly. Let's go, dude. Sorry. Again, hungover-ish, sluggish. That's me today. That's me. I don't know, man. Good question. What's up, Skyward? Wearing your throwback shirt. Let's go, dude. Fantastic. The 80 streams. Yeah, Dove. Seriously, 10 weeks of nothingness? You mean 10 weeks of composite man reaccumulation? Oh yeah, I agree. Turned into a lot of volatility. All good volatility for the most part. We got less than an hour till your daily candle close. For sure, for sure.
Bro, can you look at DXY for me? Do you see a dragon? This is my third TDS asking.
Is it, dude? Oh wow, dude, my bad. I don't know. Like you see what happens. Like just things happen, right? Things like, is it a dragon? Nah, no dragon, really. Oh, I mean, kind of like a range, dude, right? Like you just got bottom of the range. It's like a rectangle, dude, like a bearish rectangle. I mean, I get it, though. You're like, how can this be a dragon? There's no way. Straight line down, dude. Higher low's good. Hidden bullish divergence is good on the 4 hour. Look, a low on price, a higher low on price. Higher levels, negative momentum. Pending price action continuation the upside. Implied. So, I mean, if it does pivot here and rally, you're talking like right here. I don't know, that's way too insignificant, too small, man. Not enough candles at all. So, if this actually plays out and you continue losing negative momentum, you start going positive with price action, then 93.84 is going to be tested again. After that, yeah, man, could be a nice rally, but I don't know. Like, you know, like, I mean, think that 94.67 will be tested after that if you ever broke 93.84. All right, that's it, man. I don't think, just not sure. All right, this is an aggregate of a bunch of different currency pairs, so tough to know. Are you trading the US dollar? You know? Man, it's tough, dude. Stream days after drinking on keto is not easy. 53 cents. You just tested it for the first time in multiple years. Right, ZRX at its highest levels since November 19th, 2018, dude.
DJ-Connect will dash past the recent dash high of dashes before going lower than the last dash low of dashes.
It could. Unfortunately, you don't have help on the oscillators. That's what makes the trade setup kind of meh. But nevertheless, bullish conditions are so nice. Where you haven't broken out yet, but you're on the cusp of a breakout. Really like how we have sprung and back tested the spring of something so important to the $87, $88 area. Not a joke, dude. Not a joke at all. I mean, this is IMO. This is how I do it. Okay. It's just like a low from July of 2019, you know, high from February 2019, a high from January 2019. It's just a major potential reversal area. And the fact is, we're now regarding it as support when it was once resistance so many times. Look! Just April, it was a resistance. We reversed violently to the downside, and now we broke it, and we're just back testing it once, and now twice. That's like my analysis. That's like why I think there could be upside here, even maybe without bullish divergence. You know, higher lows. You know, you could come down one more time to 84, but you see, the thing is now you've sprung and back tested the spring. So at this point, you just don't want to be below 80. There's no point. It doesn't make any logical sense to be below 87.50 anymore, because that's the price. That's how we trade. You know, price action happens, and then we then take our position after the price action correlation to historical trend lines occurs. So now it's time. It's time to go. Even if you don't have real strong or any kind of bullish divergence in the 4 hour, that's okay. So the breakout point is upon you at like 92.75. In order for this to be a strategic stop loss below that 87.50 area, it is impossible to be taking profit at these levels, like the 50%, 618, 886. I don't even think it's equitable to take it at 100%. So you're looking like 110 target if you want to have a strategic stop and an entry right now. What's up, Anon? Thanks for the merge perch. We appreciate it. Hey, KCW, man. Sean Casey and KCW, boom. The Caseys.
My red Pepe mug, crying face.
Yeah, dude, mine just, I got an email today that my Pepe mugs just shipped. So I'm playing the waiting game too, dude. So it happens. Thank you, man. Well, Chris, I'm sorry your experience was so terrible. It's not that way in Patreon. You wouldn't be saying that if you were a patron who was applying yourself and investing in yourself to learn real swing trading. You'd never say that. So I know who's a patron, I know who's not. Hey, there's Skyward, dude, in his throwback. Boom. Throwback shirt. Cheers. Oh, here's another one. Boom. Skyward. He had a candid photo of him at first. I got 41 minutes to close. I don't think I'll make it to the daily candle close today, chat. It's rough, man. There's not enough price action going on. It's Friday. I'm hungover. And yeah, just not enough maybe going on. Now ZRX is 20% up. Continuing to climb, man. Ridiculous. Just hit the 1414 fib extension of the harmonic. Beautiful. Wow, 20%, dude. To Jesus, man. Michael B. It was never about that to begin with, and it still isn't all about that. But I guess you don't really. I guess you never got it, dude. It's about the charts. It's about the TA. It's about applying technical analysis and gaining an edge in the market and trading and making money. It's always been that. I'm sorry you don't feel that way, dude. Why are you even here? I can't help that all I did was work 7 days a week, 2.5 years to create this. And oh my God, success is falling upon me because of my consistency, where any other person you watch stopped during the worst conditions. And it just so happens we might be on the cusp of a major multi-year breakout in crypto, and I'm here. I prepared for 2.5 years for this situation as a streamer and trader because I knew when opportunity presented itself, it would be far too late to prepare. And it sure is. Good luck trying to start a streaming, try to do what I do now, starting now, right? You're just not going to do it. Yeah, well, your feedback, I mean, whatever. I'm giving my feedback to you, dude. So sorry for me giving my feedback. I mean, I probably worked harder at this thing than you did at your career job. 7 days a week, every day, dude. Just about. Les, good. Go, man. I don't want you in this chat. Get the fuck out of here. God, people are so sensitive. Yeah, we know who the people are that aren't making money. That's certain. They definitely aren't making money, so they're saying this stuff, right? Because if they were literally a patron, you would have made like so much money. You're just not interested in learning how to really trade. You're just here. The only reason you're here is because of the price action we're seeing on these coins. You weren't here when we had 10 weeks of Wyckoff reaccumulation. None of you. I mean, a lot of you weren't here. Certainly that guy. But go on. Your life's gonna stay the same, while many other people's lives have been positively affected because of Patreon, dude. What's up, Kyle? Thanks for the $10 super chat or super sticker. It says wrecked. Thank you, man. So let's take a gander right back at the total market cap, which today hit its highest level of the entire rally, right? I mean, not yet. I mean, where traders settled up at 37 minutes, but you're just talking about the price action, $364 billion. We haven't seen that since July or June 26, 29, or 27th, 2019. Right? I mean, it's going to be a while before you exceed like that day. You know, you have to get above 388. But the next major overhead resistance is 420 billion, dude, up here. Traders settled up May 5th, 2018 for the huge crash. Right, that'd be the next target. Matthew up in the chat, let's go. All right, until we hear Jesus chimes, people getting triggered now. They can't imagine it.
Is that a joint?
They can't believe it.
Bruh.
Can't believe it, dude. About 561. 562. Thank you, dude. Please be sure to sync up the Patreon to the Discord. So, right, I mean, like, what do you think? Is 388's next, or is it 420? I mean, this isn't much of one. I mean, it could be now, right, because it was manufactured then. So, I think that's your next target. But in order to get there, we're going to have to see Ethereum run up to like 460. Bitcoin's going to have to run up to 12 plus K, 13, 15K, right? That's the only way to get there. Oh, double Jesus chimes. Whoa.
The only sticker to go on my new Ford Bronco when it comes in April is a TA with Matre sticker. Why? Because he has changed my life.
Thank you, Crypto Collector Man.
So the edge we have with BTC is to the downside, and bearish divergence is on the weekly.
No. Weekly's bullish as F, dude. Extremely bullish on Bitcoin on the weekly. Dang, did you just miss the analysis I did? We covered the weekly? No, nothing's bearish about the weekly, no. The 4 hour and the 60 minute kind of showing some bearish stuff, but we're extremely bullish conditions. right? The daily's not bearish at all. Daily's fine too. So the 60-minute, 4-hour, meh, that combination's not that strong, right? If like the market's really too strong and too bullish, then that divergence is going to get invalidated on the 4-hour, and it's just maybe arguable that it played out already on the pathetic sell-off we got to 11,650. So we just need a little bit more data here. So someone bought some merch. What was that? JTAC, thank you, man. He says John Wooden was correct and F the fair weather traders. Come on, dude. Let's be real. They're not real traders. They're just scrubs, dude, that will never invest in themselves, and they'll always be stuck in their same situation in life, and they'll always blame someone else. They'll always come in, try to spread negativity like he did. You get that? That's cancel culture. Cancel culture is becoming mainstream now. It's him and a bunch of other people everywhere that have no purpose in life. No passion, no development, nothing, useless. So you got two targets, I guess, next, right? 388 billion. That'd be Bitcoin at like and Ethereum at much higher prices, of course. You could probably need them to keep going. Not sure if these altcoin pumps are going to be enough, right, to get us up to those levels. Well, it would be hard to believe that Ethereum and Bitcoin don't keep going up and all the altcoins rally and we end up somehow getting to 388 billion, right? That's it. And let's pretend I'm not here live streaming for free every day for people, answering questions, engaging in the chat. I mean, that's the other thing. It's like ridiculous. Acting like you all had to pay to be here to watch this stream, dude, you know? But not this song, dude. It's like the Bullfrogs or something weird. 30 minutes, 33 minutes till your daily candle close. Trying to stick around, but my God, dude, the bad vibes, the negativity, the jealousy some of the scrubs are talking about, right? Like, what do you want from me, man? It was the Bullfrog song, dude. That's what I call it, man.
Thanks, bro. I know you are busier nowadays and congrats on that. See you at 589 shirtless stream. Dollar bill.
Just don't know what makes y'all think
Open umbrella, rain cloud.
that 589 is actually going to happen this month. I just don't know what it is. We're 562. That might as well be Mars, dude. We're not there. We're on the moon, dude. That's right, Lou. Exactly. DGB. We already looked at DGB, man. Ascending triangle hit its measured move, 100% measured move. The ascending triangle today, man. It's beautiful. It's like a work of art, man. TA respected, dude. That's right, Radish. Good stuff, man. Is there a kanji jellyfish? How you doing, dude? You stung anybody lately? J-Dings, that would do it. I know that. Like, that's the only thing, right? If we get a weekend pump this weekend, yeah, I'm screwed. I'm almost certainly screwed.
S-Coin request please OMG. Thanks for all the hard work.
Thank you, Crocus. Thank you, dude. Wow, it's been a while since I looked at this thing, but nothing's really changed. OMG, it broke out of a downtrend. Oh, God, it's a terrible downtrend, man. Started in September 2018, and you broke out May 19th, man. So now you're making higher lows. I don't know, man, what's really going on here. It's a lot of white space to be calling it a pattern or anything. You know, you just probably got 1 and 2 here. Yeah, you're trying to break out, right? Trying to break out. Oh, it's like a pretty nice looking falling wedge on OMG. Jeez. I mean, kind of a lot of white space, but you know, I don't think Fibonacci would suffice here since it's already run up. So just 100% measure move maybe of the structure of consolidation you've been in since late May. Target, if the breakout actually is real, would be right here, 2550 Satoshis. Species up in the chat, let's go.
Is that a join?
Bruh.
Thank you, Species, man. Really appreciate it. Please be sure to sync up the Patreon to the Discord.
I'm grateful to be here every day. Ursula, Vegemite,
Ursula.
Clinking bear mugs.
Thank you, Timbo, man, for the 3s and the support, right? You can tell, man. It's like overwhelming amounts of positivity in this community, in love and support. And there are just people out there that got problems, man. And they'll always blame other people for their own shortcomings in life. Be accountable. Take accountability for your life and where you are in your situation in life. What's up, April? Thanks for supporting the stream with the sticker. Now, we have gotten feedback from the few people that have bought the stickers that it's kind of weird around the edges. I don't know if that was a one-time thing, but maybe get some feedback when you finally do get it. Thanks.
Hey Mitch, happy Friday. Don't sweat the haters. What do you make of PCG?
We can look, dude. Thank you.
Don't worry about the haters, Mitch. It's been amazing watching the channel and Patreon grow these last few months after all the work.
Thank you, Charlie P. Appreciate the $20 super chat. Yeah, it's been crazy. Crazy experience, man. Very humbling, right? I mean, it's a humbling experience. Thank you, dude. What's up, Cody A?
Bruh.
Thank you, dude. Standard college hoodie, whatever. I don't know why it says that. Learning so much, Mitch. Thanks, man. Thank you, dude. Supporting the stream. Because that's what you do when you buy the merch. Supporting the stream and community. Oh boy. E-turn up in the chat, let's go.
Is that a join?
Bruh.
Thank you, E-turn. Imagine it saying eternal. It could mean that, dude. Thanks, man. Please be sure to sync up the bidder on the Discord. You gotta be in the, if you're a patron and you're not in the Discord, you're literally missing out on like 80+% of the value. It's crazy to not be a part of the Discord as a patron. Crazy. Cogshed says he admits, or I'm just going to quote him. I admit I came here because of the price movement. I am new to investing, and this is a cool thing you have going on. I'm happy to be able to check this out. I'm trying to crash course without being risky. Well, there's no risk ever, Cog, in investing in yourself. Never risking anything. So that's where you should start. And you should start, I mean, I think the first thing, if you're brand new, trading in the zone is imperative, because these market conditions are kind of set up to make your emotions go nuts, dude. The composite man knows how to destroy scrubs. He knows. What's up, Lou? Thanks, man. Got the poster. Appreciate the TA every day. I've learned so much. Thank you, man. Freaking love y'all. Seriously. Dude, I mean, I don't know, I'm not getting nervous yet. 564 is still so, it's like eons away from 589, dude. Don't worry about it. Not gonna happen. Kinfold, I'm glad you found the channel too, dude.
Great work building this platform. I am sure it has been a journey.
It has, dude. It's called Game of Coins. We've had like 10 seasons plus, maybe 12 seasons now. It just kind of like too much time has gone by, where there's just been different adversaries and antagonists every season, you know. So thank you, dude. Wow. The Neo coin, man, in the jar. Good Calvin, man. You know, there are two ways to learn life. The best way to learn is to learn from someone else's mistakes, right? AKA reading books, watching videos. watching the stream, join the Patreon, right? That's
I
one way.
present to you
The other
a
way,
printout of S-Coin review card.
learning yourself
Use this
from
and
your
use
own
at
mistakes.
any
Not the best way to do it, man.
0.022784423 ETH.
Free get out of S-Coin review card. Save this and use it anytime. Mr. Anderson, thank you, dude. So that means I don't, if someone tips, I don't have to do it or something? I don't get it, man. Thank you. Huh. Oh boy. It's Doberman, hop in the chat, let's go!
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
See, I don't even understand how haters could watch this stream. I mean, how could they not rage quit by this? You know, someone hate watching, and it's like just
2019. Love the content.
they had to have
How
rage
is
quit by
Link
now.
looking on the 1 hour? I think there is a high probability that it will continue its bullish pattern.
Wow, sorry, that just happened at the same time.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
Dude, Crypto Collector, thank you, man. You bought the sticker, now you bought the hoodie. It says winter is coming. ... Connect. Thank you. And then Steve Smith, been here since June 2019. Love the content. How's Link looking on the 60-minute? Huh? Link, man. There's a little bearish divergence, but it hasn't really played out yet. I mean, 4-hour bearish divergence, but it's still okay. It's not. There's no edge. There's no like hidden bullish divergence going on right now. So I got nothing for you. You say 60-minute though, so. $60 somehow. Kind of I don't know, higher lows maybe. I got no edge, man. It's just consolidation like before. Just a form of consolidation. It's so high. It's had such a run. Right? It just looks like it might be setting up for higher prices, but at the same time, it could be setting up for lower prices at $15. Okay, so you know all we can kind of do here on the 60-minute. It's kind of terrible. It's crap anyway, man. Like at this point, something like this, I guess. You know, like upsloping consolidation, where if it pivots here and starts going green again, you could see the top of the structure, I guess at 1880-ish, if it runs there. But again, you're talking about the 60-minute, talking about an asset that has run up too much. It's like the poster child, I guess, this season, this altcoin season, crypto season, right? Most talked about crypto right now is Link, so could just keep going. $20 is your resistance if you can ever keep going. But I just don't want you to think that I'm telling you there's an edge right now on Link for a good, long, low-risk upward opportunity, right?
Consistency helps me so much. 25% back of my account loss. Can you teach a little about position trade? Is this possible with leverage?
I don't know, right? Because of funding and stuff like that, leverage trading on a position. I mean, I don't really do it now. You know, maybe like I'll have like long, far out call options on the stock market, but I don't do any of that stuff with crypto. No. Position trading, dude. All it is, Radish, man, is you're trading on the weekly and daily and maybe monthly. That's it. So and maybe you pick your entry on the 4-hour still, like a swing trade, but just means you're going to be holding the asset for well over a week or two, maybe even a month or months. It can happen. What's up, Sandy Candy? Thanks for the 2 super chat, super sticker, whatever. Thank you. Oh yeah, PCG. Yeah, sorry. Things happen, dude. So what are we waiting on here, right? What did we talk about on this one that we looked at rather recently? Where it's like, you haven't hit the PCZ of the bullish cipher yet, but the thing is 826 is historical support resistance, so you may not get this opportunity down here because of history. But you're just pointing out like how we could develop an edge for a long on PCG if we were lucky enough and blessed enough to get a 760 entry, or we sell it one more time and then develop bullish divergence. Because right now on the daily you don't have an edge really on PCG. But at the same time, as going into the 4 hour, you can kind of see here, like if this was to actually break out of the triangle and it was going to run up now and not go down one more time, then you got targets of 1082 and 1141. That's it. So it's like, it depends. If we get a breakout now, those are targets. If you sell up one more time, we're gonna have to adjust our Fibonacci, and this might be where I do an official setup, because by then you would have classic bullish divergence at a pattern completion zone of a pretty freaking large structure, been in development since March. That's it. That's it, dude. Okay. You cool? It's okay, but it could be a lot better.
Please talk about VRS. Varus.
Oh, I don't know. Barrows? I don't even know what that is. Oh, Verisarian? Is that, Verso? Verso Corporation? Huh. Interesting looking. I like this chart, actually. VRS. Well, it's Veras. So you're asking about a crypto. It's not on TradingView. I can't analyze it. Look, I type in VRS. It's not here. So if it's not, again, we just can't analyze it. But Verso Corporation looks very promising here. Like, I know it's not what you wanted, but dang. I mean, you got like quiet levels of accumulation going on. All right, higher lows again. Yeah, dude, it's like oh my god, like, you want to talk about a huge dragon pattern? This is a dragon right here, dude. That hump. You're on the cusp of a breakout on this, dude. You had a false breakout, too. How devastating, man. God, hearts shattered there. But when you sold off, man, you ended up just making another higher low. So accumulation going on this potential dragon. Right? Or if you broke it, you know, your target's gonna be, the initial one would be 1709. After that, of course, 1942. And then, you know, we use Fibonacci too after that. Yeah, 382 lines up with that peak. So, I mean, after that would be 22 bucks, right? 50% retrace. VRS, man. Deep retrace too. I love the double bottom where it is, the context, because 2017 was this low, and now all of a sudden 2019 we're making a higher low, and now we're giving confirmation bottom low, and then now we're just getting lucky with another higher low. So Verso actually could be set up for a really nice reversal if we can break out soon. Accumulation, dude. Give me the corporation. Okay, well then boom. Good on you for an amazing request. That this is position trade stuff. This is a daily chart. This could be setting up for much higher prices. Long the yellow. Oops. That's it. Perfect. It was great. Very good. Have your alerts set up, you know, like you're the beep breaking out. Paper mill company. Awesome, Scuba Steve, man. Isn't this like a descending triangle? Meh. Dude, you're showing higher lows. You're showing accumulation after a deep retrace. It's a terrible place to be trying to trade a descending triangle. Like, terrible. Like, dude, again, value perceived areas, 78% retrace, double bottoming, and now making higher low after the double bottom. Nah, man. I mean, sure, you call it descending triangle all you want, but accumulation's going on. The most recent thing that happened was accumulation. The event. Whole bunch of nothing going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. They're just lolling around. I guess Ethereum sold off some. Some more. Yeah, 437. Meh. 60-minute bearish divergence going on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So a sell-off here, a small sell-off, wouldn't be the craziest thing in the world if it happened. Yeah, 565 patrons now. Jeez, dude. Thank y'all. That's unreal. Very grateful. Thanks, T. Elliott, for the very kind words, man. No 589 jail humor. 589. Not gonna happen though. Alright, dude, we got 13 minutes and try to run the clock out. I guess at this point, it's Friday, man. You know, hungover-ish. So, only 24 more. That's a lot of people, man, so. Thanks for the almost 1,300 people still tuned in. If you're enjoying it, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. We've got 504 likes. Maybe we can get 600. We could, if y'all wanted, right? Sand's up 680%. Let's go, dude. Sand coin. Wow. Say the hidden bearish divergence right there. It can be invalidated if we get some bids, but kind of struggling here, kind of sputtering a little bit on Bitcoin. Sub Lake, thanks for the sub, dude. Ethan, I think we already looked at Litecoin. Thank you, HQ. Jeez, Mark F, that's crazy. So will we see 12K this weekend again? It's very possible, but you really, right now, I mean, now is not the time to be stalling out on Bitcoin. Now is not the time to be, showing classic bearish divergence on the 60-minute and it play out. Now is the time we rally and see 12K and invalidate any chance of hidden bearish divergence.
Time scale for BTC. Weekly is the most important, correct?
I mean, monthly is extremely important too. I mean, it's just we're not looking at it as much because we had looked at this to ad nauseum. Where in log scale, the symmetric triangle we broke out of, you're out of it. Of course, it's important, man. Almost every time we look at Ethereum, we're looking at the monthly, the double bottom. That's why I took my long a long time ago, and a lot of people in here did because of that double bottom. Much lower prices, and now it's starting to play out. You finally just broke out of it. So monthly is here, and remember last month what we did? Second highest level where traders settled up in the history of Bitcoin, and the next target on the monthly is 13,828, which is the highest level where traders ever settled up in December, the month of December 2017. That's it. So Rygar, put on some bug spray, right? Went outside to get some sun today. It's like immediately had to kill a mosquito. It's like Here you go. Discord link right there. Join it if you're not a part of it. If you want to invest in yourself and learn more about trading, technical analysis, Discord's the place to go. We got less than 10 minutes now, right? So just running out the clock. Almost there, dude. We're gonna make it. Daily candle close. Just looking at the monthly now. A breakout, a confirmed breakout, and even a back test. So fantastic, man. We already looked at Cardano, Dennis. Early in the stream, you can rewind it and find it. But decent stuff happened on Cardano. It was looking bad, and then it kind of recovered a little bit. There you go. All the new Discord members, welcome y'all. So monthly important, man. Very important and very significant development over last month. Never happened, man. So good. Never happened before. Hidden bearish divergence, man. This keeps up. All right, what I'll do is I'll get out of here, and I'll just leave the stream up till daily candle close, and you'll just be able to see it. But remember, there's a little bit of bearish stuff going on right now. If we don't catch any bids soon, we have to catch bids this weekend in order for this hidden bearish divergence to not continue to mature, and then we sell off again and see 11,463. Okay, so that's it, dude. So I really appreciate all the likes, love, support, contributions, everything. Y'all are amazing. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, wonderful Friday evening. Go do something, man. Enjoy it. A lot of attendees this week, and the week before, and the week before that. You know it. Till next time, respect the TA.
lost and out of place. Empty eyes look upon my face. Nowhere to go, nowhere to run. I just want to find someone. Wish that I could belong. I've been searching for so long. This place I'm in makes me feel numb. I just want to find someone.
Is this your homework, Larry?
I have a robot vagina.
Adios, turd nuggets.